Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 14 of this luxury apartment. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finish our luxury apartment. Now we're ready to put it into Twinmotion. And first, we need to go here and check that we're in fine. You need to put it in fine so that you'll be able to see all the details, small details like the handles for the doors and those kind of stuff. So you will need to put it there, and then after that you need to clear up. You only need to be in 3D. You need to save it, and then after you save it, you can now click on Twinmotion and see in Twinmotion. So now you just need to wait for synchronization, and then after that you'll be able to see your model. And then let's put this one right there, and then I don't need to see this, so uncheck this. So hide navigation panel. You can change the speed into your numbers. So now there's like multiple. I'm putting it in 4. So now it looks like this. And then now let's try and change the glass first. Usually I just go to my burger menu and click on sign in Epic Games so that we could access multiple or more materials. So now let's go here, click on glass materials, and then most of the time I put this one as two-sided glass, and then change the opacity and then the color. Okay, so that's perfect. And then now right here, let's change a different one. We could maybe put it at tinted glass blue, just to change it a bit. And then change the opacity, and then maybe we could darken the color. And then opacity. So that's perfect. And then here, what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna add the stone. I love this stone, so I'm gonna add this stone right here and scale it up. So that's perfect for that. And we can put this stone here as well. Then let's change one of these materials here to a metal. So now I just need to go to roof covering, and then we have not roof or metal, we have those metal panels. I would like to add it right here. This is too small, I want it bigger. And then for this one, for the color, I want it to be gray. Reflection to be around that. Metalness on, make sure. So that's perfect. Around 80 probably, because that's too shiny. And then from here, I like to go to Quixel Megascan Surface. And I believe we have concrete right here. Slab. Let's do wood. Plank. I want this concrete facade. I think it will look really nice for this. And we can even change the scale and then the color. But I kind of like to put a different one just because I need a different look and color. So let's try a plank, wooden plank. I would like this one, wooden plank. This one looks perfect. So instead of stone, let's put wooden plank there. It has a nice feel to it. And then from the top here, let's put in veneer. This one I like the color. So let's put walnut right here, or an oak. And then for the top, I don't like the pattern. Okay, so that one's nice. But in terms of here, let's try this one. So that one much better. And here I want a darker one. Let's put metal. For the metal part, let's go here in Twinmotion and let's add one of this and then change the materials to black. By changing that, as you can see, it looks nicer. And then we could add that same materials right here. And then with that, let's change this to darker as well. But this one should turn on the metal. And then here as well. We could leave that one as gray, grayish look. But for our aluminum, here let's make it dark or grayish, a little bit grayish. And then the reflection. And then at the top as well, let's select this and then add it at the top like that. And then maybe we could change this one as well, just to have that black look there, that highlight. And then here as well, the highlight as well. It makes a big difference with that look. And then here, for the paint, let's put it as grayish. I think that's good enough. Like light gray. And with all of that changes, that looks very nice. So now next, we need to go here, change the light. We're gonna turn on sky dome, and then click on more. Let's go to low sun, clear, and then one of this one. Let's change cloudy. And let's add this one. Let's add multiple or download multiple so that we can see differences. So here, let's just drag it there. Wait for it to process. And that is the look. You can change how the sun shades everything. So I could choose something like this. at least the background of the sun. And then what you need to go is you can change the exposure as well. Here's an important one. Turn on this. As you can see, it makes a big difference. Here, color grading, I always choose blue tint. And then from here, we could manipulate everything. Location, if you want that background, or without the background, or if you're gonna create your own background, you can start from there. Also, let's go back here and let's add in the ground. Let's add in man-made. In terms of grass, we're good with the grass. This one, I like to add this one for the road. I like the look of that. And then for the sidewalk right here, maybe one of this. Let's make it different. Let's make it darker to give that contrast there. And then here, let's add in some backgrounds. So we're gonna add in some cars. And then the decals. So we need to add it right there. And obviously we're not gonna add something in the front, but that will give us more depth. And then for the background sake as well. So let's keep on adding. So let's probably add, make sure to change color. Okay, so I'm gonna keep on changing different I keep on checking because I don't want to ruin my scene. And then I want to add something like here. I want to change it a bit. And then actually let's add in the decal. That will add in more realism. So let's add objects, decal, line mark. Let's see how big is this line mark. So 90 degrees. I think this is just perfect for a car. So I'm just gonna have this one. hold on shift, and then grab it from the other side. But this one became smaller for some reason, so I'm gonna delete that. So this one is better. Hold on shift, grab it again, right there, around 3 meters. But for some reason this one is a bit short, so I don't know what's happening. Maybe I'm gonna change it with a different one. This here is full size. Let's try this again. Same thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this and then I'm going to make it bigger. But it doesn't look good. I rather have, I'm just gonna put another one, a different line. If we have, this is dash line. Still, this is too big. One 1.5. Okay, so I'm happy with the 1.3. Let's put it right here. I'm just not sure what's going on here. So what I did is I put multiple lights, then all of a sudden everything now is good. So probably a glitch into the system. So now I'm just fixing this. I want to make sure that all of them are spaced properly. This one we could just delete, and then this one we could just grab. Like I said, I don't want it right here near it, so hold on shift, around 3, and then number is around 6 for now. Okay, so that's perfect. I'm gonna grab it again. And then let's add around 4 more. Now that looks good. And then we should just do it right here on the other side. And then for the opacity, let's just put it at 60. I think that's better. I'm just double checking that everything is 60, because the 90 something is way too high. Here again it's showing 90, but before we do any copies, I'm going to change all of that. So 60 would be good. Hold on shift. See, it's starting the problem again. So now it only does it when you start. So a glitch that is irritating, but what can you do? Now I'm just gonna do one here. Delete all of this. And then here, just put it right here. And then hold on shift. Now I could just put 3 meters and then probably 12 of them. Okay. Let's do more. Copy, click this, hold on shift. 3 meters each. And then probably 6 more. So I think that's good enough. I could add in more cars here for background sake. So vehicle, cars. Let's add in some vans and some pickup. Okay, so just put it there. For some reason it's changing. So another glitch. And guys, don't forget to save. So now, so my views will be looking like that. And we need some trees at the back and some cars as well. And some buildings if we can. Well, we need to add some buildings. Okay, so first let's add more car. Okay, so let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.